Hello, what's up? Good morning. Welcome to day 5 of making a video every day for the rest of lockdown. Today, I'm heading back to the big, beautiful city of Londinium tomorrow, and so I thought I'd take this opportunity to get out and take a photo of my favourite thing, and take a photo of my favourite thing in my village, which is this basketball hoop. So let's do it. So, just arrived at the basketball hoop here. I've got my red coat on for a bit of pop, and yeah, gonna take some shots. Cool. Let's get inside and edit these. Hey. Right, so here we are in the editing suite, ready to do a bit of, that's right, you guessed it, a bit of editing. Go ahead, open up Photoshop, get yourself a 1080 by 1350 canvas size, rigged up, and then we're going to drop in some of our images. I've already edited these in Lightroom, and I'm not going to go over that just now. That's for another video. So I'm going to drop these two shots in. This one where I'm facing away, and then this one where I'm facing forward. Now, the first thing I need to do is fix where I'm standing when I'm facing this way, because I just haven't quite nailed it there. So just bear with me whilst I cut myself out using the pen tool. Right, there we go. I'm now pretty much bang in the center. My head lines up much better with the basketball hoop. Hopefully you get your perspectives right and you don't have to do this. Alright, so what we're going to do here is a very, very simple photo manipulation where we mirror the sky. It's sort of like an Inception sort of look, where there's double skies. It's very simple. So, get your image and duplicate it using Command J. Now for this one, we're going to go Command T, flip it completely 180 degrees, and then come down here to the mask tool and add a mask to it. Hit B, so you're going to bring up a brush, make the brush quite big, and hardness of 0%, you can do that down here. And then we just want to start painting away this part of the sky. Lovely. And now we've got this rather lovely mirror image. Isn't that nice? Now, something you do if you want more sky is to just pull the both of them down a bit. Now we've got more sky. But look at that. That's sweet. You've now got yourself a person standing in front of a basketball net with another person above them. And there you go. Pretty simple one here, but that's your basic sort of photo manipulation. These are a really good way to start to get into Photoshop and not be overwhelmed by, you know, some of these people who are creating entire cities and these very magical, amazing Photoshops. Build up to those. Here are some little baby steps for very simple photo manipulation. Thank you very much for joining me today in the editing kitchen. This has been day 5, creating a video every day until lockdown ends. We'll see you in day 6. Take care, bye-bye.